This thing's very greasy and nicky. Wonder what that piece did. We'll never know. I think we'll start taking it apart and cleaning it up. Ready for the restoration. 19mm is very close to 3/4. That's, oh, it's quite loose. Hope they're all like that. We don't need this bit. Well, maybe. Let's keep going. It's quite easy to take apart. I can't get into the kitchen to pinch some fairy liquid, so this will have to do. Soap, innit? Looking better already. Right, I'll carry on doing the rest. With a good clean with a soapy water and brake cleaner, the parts have turned out really well. They're not shiny, but they're not meant to be. Just clean. And I may coat the whole thing with black paint yet, or blacken it with old engine oil, I'm not sure. There's lots of welding involved on the ends and sides, and I need to blend the welds in so it looks natural. So far so good, let's move on to the next stage. Oh, I need to get some gardening done. Anyway, wood angle iron, perfect. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Probably not. That's just what I need, a piece of that.